you didn't already know, I'm a different breed. In my own lane and I'm in a different league. When they hear me spit, they don't dread about the killing of the beat, cause I'm built so differently. Rappers been an A game when they spit with me. Better tell me no single bit of quit in me. I've been switching gears, hitting different speeds. I don't really bark, you'll get bit with me. Hey, what's up, you guys? We're here for another episode of Chainsaw Man. Last episode left on a gross cliffhanger. I was so mad they cut it off there because it was getting really interesting when they were going like in the building, and then he realized like, hey, we were just here.
How was that gross?
Not gross in a sense like, oh, I hate them for doing that. That's what I meant. Like, because I was like getting really into it. So we learned about the gun devil. Denji had some new motivation from 3 people. We learned about the gun devil. It killed like 1.2 million some people in 5 minutes.
It killed what's his face's family, right?
Yeah, we saw a little bit of Aki's backstory and like why he's a hunter now. It's like a revenge thing. And yeah, now we're here trying to find more pieces of the gun devil's flesh so they could like lead us to the gun devil itself. And yeah, this episode's called Kill Denji, so I'm like super intrigued. So we're just gonna jump right in. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, subscribe, and check it out.
You know what that girl reminds me of? She reminds me of Sun Eater. Like, you know, like they're really like scary personality, but then they're pretty strong.
Make a double peace sign instead. Someone's domain expansion. It's all an illusion.
The hotel is the devil.
Maybe. They're already dead. They're in the hotel's stomach.
The whole entire floor is the devil.
Just the 8th floor.
Just
I'm the 8th floor devil.
It'd be, oh my gosh, what if they were trapped on the 13th floor? You know how they, you know that like whole thing about 13 floors?
The 13 in general?
Yeah.
And then the fear.
I really like powers, abilities. Nezuko.
Yeah, she has a literal blood demon art. So, but so far we've only seen a hammer and a blade sword type of thing. Did you just went in the bed? You know, guys, I'm taking that. Destroy the building. That's actually a good point. Oh, never mind.
He's into.
Oh, that means, you know, crybaby, but when she's serious, she'll be nasty. Oh wow, that's really sad. Wow.
What's significant about the number 8?
Where's Denji? I mean, we might be, but we might not be. Bro, I love Denji.
Oh, the devil is now. Stupid. He's actually sleeping.
Like, bro, kill Denji. Can they make phone calls out? I'm bored by how little this upsets you. You should start smoking. It's great for socializing. I guess so, yeah. It's always, hey, you have a lighter? Dude, anime food always looks great.
Peer pressure. Don't smoke, kids.
I know. Huh? That is gross. Oh, they want to leave. Wow.
Oh no! Ew! Gross!
Yeah, easy for you guys to say because it's not you.
But Denji's technically not a human though.
He's a hybrid. Yeah. Thank you, Aki.
Ew!
Hmm? What's up with the sword? Power ate it. He's spicy.
Oh, it feeds off of fear.
It's an anxiety devil.
Ew! Gross! See?
Yeah, fear devil. Use the sword. Yeah, this is a really stressful episode. You dumb freaking.
You idiot! What the hell?
Okay, might as well use the sword now. If Pop not died. I mean, I get the other girl is like super scared and panicking, but bro, like you guys are a team. And she doesn't want him to use the sword because like she doesn't want to keep losing partners. Yeah, can he bust out of there as Chainsaw Man? Yeah, and it's like a thing. He wants the recognition. Like, I want to be the one to kill the Chainsaw Devil. Because they know Denji's strong. Chainsaw time! That was so fast. This episode was so stressful, bro.
Ugh, on top of My Hero, now this.
Yo, these episodes have been so stressful. Oh my gosh. And then they what? Huh? They leave you, you know.
Well, they did that on purpose.
Yeah, I know. It's good though. But I just feel like these episodes are like 10 minutes. They just feel like... Okay, so what do we know? We figured out we were right. That's the devil's... That is the devil. The hotel is the 8th floor is his stomach. And
and we learned. We found because we didn't notice that like I can never use a sword, so we learned about that. It takes up. They didn't say how much, just as a good amount.
You know what it reminded me of? Katana from Suicide Squad. There's like the demon trapped inside her sword, kind of. And, like it keeps the souls. I don't know. It reminded me of that. So maybe the sword that he got, like it has like immense power, but then it's kind of like Death Note. If you agree to have the Shinigami eyes, but it takes like half your life away, you know, it's kind of like that too.
That makes sense, like, cause we've seen him walking around with it since we met him, but he never did use it yet. So, and then I get.
They use the handle to like whack people.
Yeah.
That's it.
And I get why Himeno doesn't want him to use it, cause like she's been through so many partners, and she finally has Aki, who's like can handle his own, and she gets along with, and she cares about him. So she wants him to be around for as long as possible. And like but. And then you can't blame the other two rookies for wanting to kill Denji. Like, they probably didn't. She didn't sign up for this. She had like a really hard life, and she's just she's doing this because she has to. So she just wants to go home. So I get it.
Everything was fine until that girl woke up.
Yeah.
And then that's when the devil started to feed on his fear.
Yeah. So very very Jujutsu Kaisen, like just strength upon like the negative emotions of fear. So. Actually, gotta wait till next week. We're not gonna see this gun devil anytime soon. I feel like maybe like we'll get a glimpse of him at the season finale, and then next season we'll get more into that. But this we gotta deal with this first. So see you guys next week. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, check out my music, all other content. Follow us on social media. Links will be down below. And see you guys next week for my Chainsaw Man.
My shoulder's